Wise, formerly TransferWise, has become an indispensable tool for many Nigerians, offering a streamlined way to send and receive international payments, manage multiple currencies, and spend abroad. However, a common question that arises for users in Nigeria is, how exactly do I get money into my Wise account? This is a crucial step, and given the dynamic nature of financial regulations and payment systems in Nigeria, it requires a clear and up-to-date understanding. As a finance expert, I'll walk you through the various ways you can fund your Wise account from Nigeria, ensuring you have the knowledge to manage your international finances effectively. Understanding the landscape, Naira restrictions. Before diving into the funding methods, it's vital to grasp a key point. Wise does not currently support holding Nigerian Naira, NGN, balances directly in your Wise account. This means you cannot directly deposit Naira into your Wise account as you would with, say, US dollars or British pounds. Similarly, while you can send money to Nigeria using Wise, converting other currencies to NGN for local bank transfers, you cannot initiate a transfer from Naira directly within the Wise platform to fund your Wise balances in other currencies. This distinction is important and primarily stems from Nigerian foreign exchange regulations and the Central Bank of Nigeria's policies on international money transfers. The primary funding method, receiving funds from abroad. Given the Naira restrictions, the most straightforward and common way to fund your Wise account in Nigeria is by receiving money from someone located outside Nigeria. This is where Wise's multi-currency capabilities truly shine. Here's how it works. Generate local account details. For many major currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, AUD, CAD, etc., Wise provides you with unique local bank account details. Think of these as your own personal local bank accounts in those countries, even though they are part of your Wise multi-currency account. To find these details, log into your Wise account via the app or website. Go to the Balances section. Select the currency you wish to receive money in, e.g. USD, GBP, Euro. Click on Get Account Details or Receive. Wise will display the necessary information: account number, routing number for USD, IBAN for Euro, sort code for GBP, SWIFT/BIC code, and your name as it appears on your Wise account. Share your details with the sender. Provide these specific Wise account details to the person or entity sending you money from abroad. They will then initiate a local bank transfer, e.g., a domestic transfer within the US if they are sending USD, or a SEPA transfer within Europe if they are sending Euro, to these Wise account details. Money arrives in your Wise balance. Once the sender completes the transfer, the money will arrive directly in your Wise balance for that specific currency. This process is often very fast, with many transfers arriving within minutes or a few hours, especially for common currency routes. Example: if you're a freelancer in Nigeria and your client in the US needs to pay you in USD, you'd provide them with your Wise USD account details, routing number and account number. They make a regular local USD transfer, and the money lands in your Wise USD balance. Indirect funding methods, working around Naira restrictions. While direct Naira funding isn't possible, there are indirect ways Nigerians leverage other financial tools to get money into their Wise accounts, often involving foreign currency cards or digital wallets. These methods essentially act as intermediaries, allowing you to convert Naira to a foreign currency first, then use that foreign currency to top up your Wise account. Important note: the feasibility and cost-effectiveness of these methods can change frequently due to evolving Nigerian financial regulations and bank policies. Always verify the latest terms and conditions with your local bank or virtual card provider. Virtual dollar cards or other foreign currency virtual cards. Many Nigerian fintech companies and some banks offer virtual dollar cards or virtual cards in other foreign currencies like GBP or Euro. These cards are typically linked to a domiciliary account or a Naira account from which foreign currency can be funded, subject to bank policies and FX availability. How it might work if supported by the card and Wise. You fund your virtual dollar card with Naira after conversion at the provider's rate. You then try to use this virtual dollar card to add money to your Wise USD balance or other currency balance. Within the Wise app, similar to how you'd use a debit card, Challenges. Many Nigerian virtual cards have international spending limits, and some may be blocked by Wise for funding purposes due to compliance reasons or specific bank policies. Always check with your card provider and Wise support.